Good morning, students. Once again, welcome back to this online class. Hope you all are keeping well and studying well. Today we are going to continue the English grammar. Okay. We have completed 2 chapters, right? We have completed two chapters. Do you remember what was the first chapter? First chapter was about nouns we have learned. Then we have learned about we have learned about the one and many, about the singular and plural, right? So I hope you all have understood whatever we have completed. Okay, so today we are going to start the third lesson. Okay, we are going to start the third lesson. So topic is a, n and the. Okay, so हम लोग अभी पढ़ेंगे when we have to use an and the. Okay, when we have to use, about this we will learn in this chapter. So first of all, let us understand when we have to use a, n and the. Okay, हम लोग को कब कब a and the यूज करना है उसके बारे में पहले हम लोग पढ़ते हैं. ठीक है. So here now how many letters are there in English alphabet? How many letters are there? Yes, there are 26 letters, right? We have learned 26 letters are there in English alphabet. That are A, B, C, D. Okay, so like this till Z there are how many letters are there? 26 letters are there. Remember this. Okay, so now among these 26 letters, okay, ये 26 letter में से A, E, I, O, U. Okay, okay, वो 26 letters में से A, E, I, O, U ये लेटर्स को हम लोग वावेल्स कहते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड? रिमेम्बर विच लेटर्स? A, E, I, O, U. ये लेटर्स को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? वावेल्स. ओके, सो नाउ रेस्ट ऑफ द लेटर्स आर देयर, राइट? नाउ सो मेनी लेटर्स आर लेफ्ट, सो दिस लेटर्स वी कॉल कॉन्सोनेंट. ओके, जो बाकी बचा हुआ है लेटर्स उसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? Consonant. Okay, these letters are called vowels and rest of the letters we call consonant. Okay, so now all the other letters are called consonant. So now we will understand where to use a or when to use a. Okay, so now we use a before a singular noun which begin with a consonant sound. Okay, हम लोग एक singular noun, singular plural पढ़े है ना last chapter. Yes, if it is a one it is a singular, if it is more than one then it is a plural, right? We have learned that in previous chapter. Okay, so now if it is a singular noun, okay, अगर वो single में है, singular noun है और वो consonant sound होता है, ठीक है, consonant sound में है तो उसमें हम लोग a यूज करते हैं. Understood? Like mouse. Like mouse. Okay. Here you see. Mouse is a singular, right? Yes, singular noun है. Yes or no? This is a singular noun, and you see that starting letter is what? Starting letter is what? Is it vowel? No, it is not a vowel. It is a consonant. इसमें हम लोग vowel में इसको नहीं मिलता है. M is not there in vowel, so it is a consonant, right? If it is consonant, ठीक है, अगर ये first letter consonant है, then we use here a. Understand? अगर first letter consonant है, तो हम लोग क्या use करते हैं? A. तो उसमें हम लोग को a use करना होता है. अगर understand? So if it is a vowel, okay. Example, elephant. So here elephant, this E is a vowel here, right? Here also we find it is a vowel. So if it is a vowel, what we have to use here? Yes, we have to use here N. Understood? So when we have to, if it is before vowel, we use N. Before a consonant, we use A. Understand? Other words, singular noun. This elephant also is singular noun. This mouse is a singular noun. It is first letter is sounding with consonant, so we use A. It is a vowel. Okay, first letter is a vowel, so we are using N. Okay. So now, for example, also given a cat, C-A-T, cat. C is not a vowel, it is a consonant, so we use there A. A parrot, a school, right? So now we use N before a singular noun. Just now I have told you that then an angel, an owl, an eel. Okay, first letter if it is starting with vowel, then we use there N. So now only this much. So now we will start the exercise. Okay, book exercise. You see, first exercise. Okay, first here we have to write A or N before this nouns. Okay, before these nouns we have to write O or N. Okay, if it is a consonant we have to write A. If it is a vowel we have to use N. Okay, first number is here. First number is cup. Right, first letter is cup. First letter is what? C. Is it vowel? No, C is not a vowel. So what we have to use here? A. Okay. Second number is umbrella. Umbrella. Your first letter is what? U. U is a vowel, right? So what we have to use here? We have to use here N. Understand? Now third number is apple. Apple. So your first letter is what? A. A is a vowel. So what we have to use here? N. Okay. Fourth number is table. Table. Okay. So first letter is what? T. Okay. Is it vowel? No. T is not a vowel. So if it is not vowel, then what we have to write here? Yes, we have to write here A. Understand? Now fifth number is egg. Egg, right? So your first letter is what? E. E is a vowel, right? E is a vowel. So what we have to add here? N. So we have to write here N. Understand? Then sixth number is arm. Arm. Here also first letter is what? A. A is a vowel, right? If it is vowel, what we have to write here? Yes, we have to write N. Okay. Now seventh number is window. Window. So here, first letter is what here? Is it vowel? No, it is not a vowel. So if it is not a vowel, what we have to write here? If it is consonant, what we have to write here? Yes, we have to write here A. Okay. Now eighth number is mango. Mango. Here also you look at first letter is what? M. Is it vowel? Yes, it is a consonant. Okay, it is not a vowel. So what we have to use here? Now ninth number is aeroplane. Okay, aeroplane. So your first letter is what? Yes, first letter is A. Okay, first letter is A. A is a vowel. So if it is a vowel, what we have to write here? We have to write here N. Okay. So 10 number is classroom. Classroom. Okay. Here C number is the first letter is what? C. Is it vowel? No, it is not a vowel. It is a consonant. So if it is consonant, what we have to write there? We have to write here A. Understood? समझ में आ गया? What we have to do? Yes. If it is a vowel, we have to use there A, N. If it is a consonant, not a vowel, then we have to use there N. Okay? So now next. So for your homework, I want to give this B exercise. You look at, read the story and fill in the blanks with A or N. ये story में, ठीक है? You have to read this story. Then before you here fill in the blanks, here only we have to fill. सिर्फ इसमें fill करना है A या N से, okay? दोनों में से हम लोग को fill करना है. So first of all, you have to read the story. Then here we will find here, okay, yesterday was, here you see, yesterday was this sunny day. Okay, we find this in the story. Yes, we find that yesterday was sunny. Now यहाँ अंडरलाइन दिया हुआ है, इससे पहले जो लेटर्स आएगा we have to see that if it is vowel what we have to use here N, if it is a consonant what we have to use there A. So you have to see in this story, okay, before this underlined words which letters are first. If it is vowel we have to write N. If it is a consonant, right? Here it is a consonant. S is a consonant. So what we have to write here? A. So like this you read this story and write A or N, okay, for your homework. This is for your homework today, okay? Now we have not done the first exercise, right? Fill in the blanks with A or N. हम लोग को A और N से fill in the blanks करना है. Yeah, elephant. Elephant. First letter is what? E. So it is a vowel, right? So if it is a vowel, what we have to write here? Yes, we have to write N. Yeah, mouse. Mouse, right? Mouse is a M. First letter is M. So it is a consonant. If it is consonant, what we have to write here? We have to write here A. Yeah, starfish. No, starfish. S. S is a consonant. It is not a vowel. So we have to write here A. Orange. First letter is O. O is a vowel, so we have to write here N. Okay. Here book. Book is a B is a not a vowel. It is a consonant. So what we have to write here? A. River. Okay. River. R is a consonant. It is not a vowel. So we have to write here. We have to write A. Here bottle. Okay. Bottle. First letter is what? B. Okay. B is not a vowel. It is a consonant. So we have to write here A. Okay. So these are the homework for you. These two exercise homework for you. You do and complete this till page number 18. Okay. So page number 19. Tomorrow we will continue. So today here we stop. Thank you for today.